Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, dear.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Dear children, have you all done last day's homework?
Yes. Yes.
Form greatest number and smallest number.
Yes.
All done.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any doubts?
No.
No.
Very easy, right? Only when zero comes, you have to be careful. When making smallest number, when zero appear in the question, don't put zero in front. You have to place zero as the second digit. Otherwise, in 100 place. Okay? Only that you have to keep in mind. Otherwise it is very easy. For making smallest four-digit number, what you have to do? You have to arrange the digits in the what order?
Ascending.
Yes, ascending order. That means smallest number digit should be placed in the thousand place. After that, next smallest, like that. And for making greatest four-digit number, you have to
Revise.
reverse or descending order. For making the greatest four-digit number, you should place greatest number in the greatest digit in the thousand place. After that, okay. Now, dear children, one more small topic from that chapter. Small topic. You don't want to copy that. Just keep in mind. Okay.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
can discuss now.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Maya.
Yes. Can ask me, Ameya.
Page number 15 and 16.
Sorry.
Ma'am, today test will be there.
No, not today. I will inform you in previous. Okay. Next
12th,
Wednesday.
13th, 14th.
What do you ask, Ameya? What is your doubt?
Ma'am, page number 15 and 13, 14 and page number 16.
Your voice is not.
Question number
Wait.
16. Road.
Yeah, let me mute all.
Ma'am.
Ameya, now tell me.
In page number 15, the page number 15, question number 12, 13, 14, I didn't wrote, and page number 16, question number 16 also I didn't wrote.
Everything is there in the WhatsApp, dear. If you didn't complete, you do one thing. Send me a personal message. I'll send to you. Okay? Answers.
Ma'am.
Okay, Ameya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. First try to do and check the answer. Okay? Okay, dear children, we can see that small topic, what it is. Very easy one. Now, last day we have discussed how we will make greatest and smallest numbers from the given digits. If the digits are not repeating, there we can't or we are not allowed to repeat the digits. But, dear children, here we can repeat the digits. Here we can repeat the digits. I'll show you. Here, we have to make four-digit numbers with repeating the digits. That means we are allowed to repeat the digits. One example I'll show you. Here you can see four digits, 4, 5, 8, 9. Using this digits, we have to make the greatest number and smallest number. So smallest four-digit number and greatest four-digit number. In a four-digit number, the place value starts from 1000 place. We can write like this. We can repeat the digits.
Excuse
Take
me.
the smallest number. We have to find out the smallest digit in this.
Excuse
Four.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Achyut.
Now this this is an answer of 19th question.
No. From workbook you are asking?
Yes, ma'am.
19th question we have discussed ascending order and descending order. Is that? Let me see.
No, ma'am.
Uh,
Page number 21.
wait.
Ma'am, we finished.
No, that all questions we have discussed here last day.
Okay, ma'am.
19th question we have discussed here. Okay.
Ma'am, I did not
Have any
write
doubt? You
it.
can. Sorry.
18th question.
8. All the questions we have discussed. 18th question also we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
discussed. And I sent the answers in the WhatsApp also.
Yes.
Please check. Okay.
Ma'am.
So, dear
I
children,
did not write 18th question.
you can try to do yourself and check the answers from the WhatsApp. Okay? Okay, dear?
Ma'am, I did not write 18th question.
Yes, dear, you try to do alone and check your answers from the WhatsApp. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Okay?
Yes.
So, dear children, if you want to make 4-digit number with repeating the digits, first you have to select the smallest digit in this. Achyut, will you tell which is the smallest digit from the given question A? Among the digit which is the smallest?
4.
4. So, we can repeat the digit. So, you can write 4, 4, 4. This is the 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number with repeating the digit. Okay. And if you want to make the greatest number here, which will be the greatest digit? For question A, Achyut, which is the greatest digit? Oh, muted. Okay, unmute.
Okay, ma'am.
Which is the greatest digit? 4, 5, 8, 9. 9. So, 9. This is the greatest 4-digit number we can make using the given digit. If we can repeat the digits. Okay. If we can repeat the digits only, we can do like this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
4,444 and 9,999. But dear children, if 0 is there, we have to be careful. Okay. When 0 is there, second, now we are discussing question B. We are going to make smallest number.
Ma'am, which question is this?
This one just textbook, 2-3 problems are there, but in the workbook it is not there. Still, for your information, we are discussing now. Okay. Adwaita, please tell me which is the smallest digit in the among the digits. Question B. Which is the smallest digit?
0.
0. So, dear children, if we want to make the smallest 4-digit number, can we write like this? Is it will be a 4-digit number? Yes or no? Adwaita, is it a 4-digit number?
No.
No. So what we want to do is, we have to, first digit we can't make 0. So for that, other than 0, what is the next smallest digit here?
1.
Other than 0?
1.
1. So you have to write 1 first. When 0 comes, 0 comes as the smallest digit, you can't place 0 like this. So for the first 1000 place, you have to select the next smallest digit. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then greatest number, same. Which is the greatest digit in this question B?
4.
Among, sorry?
4.
4. So, as we can repeat the digit, the greatest 4-digit number is 4,444. Okay?
Thank you,
Dear
ma'am.
children, just for your information, I told this. Then nothing will be there in the workbook. Regarding this, nothing will be there in the workbook. No need to do. No need to copy down to your book also. Just keep in mind. Very easy, right? Very easy, right? Huh? Dear children, we are going to start next chapter. And
Yes.
a test paper will be conducted on 3.2. Wednesday. Any other test paper is there, dear children?
No.
Very small topic. Can I conduct on Wednesday?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I will. Sometimes only I will conduct on class time. Otherwise, by evening or
Now itself.
no, no, dear. Now I can. Now I have to start the next chapter, chapter 4. Okay.
Addition.
Addition. Dear children, chapter 4 addition. 4.1 is no 4.1 and 4.3 we don't want to study now. Okay. 4.1 is estimated sum and 4.3 is mental addition. That two topics we don't want to study now. We only want to study now 4.2. Add
Ma'am,
four
Ma'am.
numbers.
ma'am, can you ask us to know addition questions?
Yes, sure, sure. I will ask. So
Not from
everyone,
Ma'am.
everyone knows addition, isn't it?
Ma'am, not from the workbook.
Oh yes, from the workbook. Wait, other. Okay, we can start the topic and I'll make you do. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Niren, sit straight, Niren. Okay. So first we can add 2-3 questions. Then we can do workbook problems. Are you all ready?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Dear children, before that, when we add two numbers, from which place we will start addition?
Place.
Sorry?
One
Oh, we have to start addition from.
place.
Place.
So, then everybody should write the place values, then only you start adding. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
we can see 1 or 2 examples. After that, for example, we are going to add 672 plus 321. We are going to add these two numbers. What should be the first step?
Hundreds.
No, first what we want to do? We have to write the
Values.
place
Values.
values we have to write first. Here, which all place values I want to write?
100.
Yes, 100, 10, then here 672. How many hundreds are there? 6. How many tens are there? 7. How many ones are there? 2. Next number. How many hundreds are there? 3. How many ones are there? 2. How many ones are there? 1. Then,
You did not.
yes, dear.
3.
Okay. Yes. Oh, wait, dear children. Now, from where we go to start addition?
One's place.
That means 2 plus 1.
2 plus 1. 3.
1 in hand. 7 plus 2.
9.
7 in hand. Yes, 9. Then 6 plus 3.
9.
Yeah, 9. Very good. It is very easy, right?
Yes.
So can we do some workbook problems? And dear children, when we are writing, when we are adding numbers like this, when we are adding numbers like this, by writing one after the another, we can call this addition as vertical addition. What we'll say? Vertical addition. Last year you have learned 2 plus 3 equal to 5. This is vertical addition. We have written one after another. Okay. So this addition we can call vertical addition. Okay, dear children. All of you open your workbook. Let me see who will make. Now, try to do question number, page number 30, question number 13, 1, 3. A. Here 4 digits are there. 5,375 plus 2,103. 2,103. Try to do. As here 4 digits are there, you have to start the place value from TH, H, T, O. Everybody should write place value. And 5, 3, 7, 5. 5,300, 7 tens, and 5 ones. Then 2,103. Start. Other, have you done? Yes or no? Show me a thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Let me see. How many of you have completed? No, some are doing. Okay. Do. Vedika has completed. Okay. Other has completed. And Maria, have you completed? Yes.
7 plus 0, 7. 3 plus 1. 5 plus 2, 7.
Now anybody is remaining? Oh, some are doing. Asad, have you completed? No. Okay. Adinanda, have you completed? Yes. Only A you have to do. Okay. Arush has completed. Joan has completed. Alex, where are you? Have you completed? Okay. But some are doing, we can wait for, Ameya has done. Pranav, have you done? Yes. Okay. Okay, Adnanda also completed. Okay, okay, okay. Can we discuss the answer? Shringa has completed. Arjun. Yes. Ain and Hadi, please turn on your video. Ain and Hadi. Now, Niren, please unmute. Yes. What answer you got?
Ma'am,
Ah.
I don't know which was the question.
It was question page number 30, question number 13. Workbook.
Page number 13.
30. Page number 30. Question number 13.
Okay, ma'am.
Let Niren do. Who else has completed? Wait. Hadi, please unmute. Hadi. Please unmute. Have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Will you give answer?
Yes.
What is the answer you got? Hadi? Hadi, can you hear me? Hadi, can you hear me? Hadi, anyway, I can't hear you. Let Sweden say answer. Sweden, please give me the answer. Unmute and give me the answer. Yes. What answer you got? Sweden? Fast?
8. 1's place 8.
Sorry?
1's place 8.
1's place 8. That means 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. Then 10's place, how much you got?
7.
7. Then
4.
100 place 4. Okay. Then 1000 place?
6.
Is it 6?
7.
7.
7.
7. Okay. What you will read this number? 7,000.
428.
Good, Sweden. Have you done in the workbook, dear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, dear. Good. Dear children, have you all got this answer? Have you all got this answer, dear children? How many of you got this correct answer? Sri Rupda? Yes. Anybody got wrong answer? Asad, have you got correct answer? Yes. Okay. Then can we do B also? Page number 13.
Yes.
Question number 13, B. Will you all do?
Sir.
Okay. Do now. Question B.
Someone is saying.
Someone is?
Saying your video gone.
Yes, it's now on.
Ma'am, finished. B.
B finished.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let others try to do. After that, we can discuss the answer. Do fast.
Ma'am,
Question number 13, B. Page number is 30. $1,282 and 1,117. What you will get? I want answer from Ain Maria. Ain, have you done? Ain, please turn on your video and unmute. Yes. Have you completed? Ain, have you completed? Ain Maria, have you completed? Your voice is breaking, dear. It's not clear to me. Dear children, have you all completed?
Ma'am.
Yes. Everybody has completed.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, dear.
Ma'am.
Will you give answer? Ain?
Ma'am.
Give answer, dear. Ain, give answer for the question B, 13B. Yes. 2 plus 7, how much you got?
Ma'am.
Yes, you can say answer, dear. We can add ones place digits first. 2 plus 7, how much you got?
I cannot hear properly.
Yes, you have some
I
network
cannot
issue.
hear it properly.
Oh, yes. Dear children, can you all hear me properly?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. I think Ain has some network issue.
Ma'am,
Now other. Other. I will unmute you. Wait.
Ma'am.
Other. Please unmute. Yes. Give me the answer for question B.
Ma'am, I know till the 10th one.
Huh?
I will start from, I look at, write the answer. I finished.
Will you give the answer for question B?
Yes.
Give me the answer.
7 plus 2.
7. 2 plus 7. From 2 plus 7, how much you got?
9.
9. After that, 8 plus 1?
9.
9. 2 plus 1?
3. 3.
1 plus 1?
2.
2. Okay. I hope, dear children, you all got the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Will you do 14th question? A and B
Yes,
as
ma'am.
homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Very easy. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
And dear children, we have studied addition with the carry also, isn't it?
Yes. Work.
Yes.
One.
One
Yes.
exam. Today I am not, we don't want to do like that problem. Still, I'll introduce that. Okay?
Yes.
The three-digit problems and four-digit problems same with the carry is there. The rules are same. Okay? So I'll show you one three-digit question. First two-digit we can see. So it will be more easy. For example, 19 plus 23. First we placed TO 1923. So what we will do, what we will add first, dear children?
One place.
Who said 1 plus 2?
No, she said one side.
Oh, one side. Okay, okay. That is correct, dear. So one side we will add first. Here one side, which are the digits? One side. 9 and 3. Yes. 9 and 3. Here 9 plus 3, what will come, dear children?
Ma'am, 12.
12. Dear children, we can't write like this 2-digit the ones place. So what we will do?
We will carry
We have to carry 1 to 10's place. And now,
Ma'am,
what will come? 1 we should add with a
ma'am, 4 will come.
4 will come. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Yes.
42. The answer is 42.
Next day we will be discussing like this problem. Okay. Do homework A and B, and there will be a test paper on Wednesday on 3.2. Okay. Thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you next day. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.